Good afternoon. I am going to share with you today some notepads I made as gifts. These make wonderful gifts for family or friends or hostess gifts. And what it is just a simple 3x5 pad of paper that I have covered, and they're excellent for by the phone or in your purse. So I want to show you how to make these today. I have made two of them. This one is made with black cardstock and some newsprint designer paper, and this one is made with Concord Crush, Pretty in Pink, and Lap of Luxury. So I'm going to show you how I did it and give you all the instructions and the dimensions. I've started with a piece of Concord Crush, and I'm using the textured paper. That's my favorite for projects like this. It's a little more sturdy. And I have cut it at 7 5/8 by 5 1/4 inches, and I have scored it at 3 1/8, 3 9/16, and 4 1/16. My first step is to turn it over, and I'm going to fold up the middle score line. And so there is the middle score line. You will see that I have it, it's shorter on the front than on the back, so you can tell the difference. I have scored it and used my bone folder and burnished it well. And I'm going to take my paper snips, and about 1 inch in, I'm going to cut into the score line, and then about another 1/2 inch. This is going to be where your pen holder is. Then I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to use some sticky tape, and I'm going to put sticky tape on from the bottom of the back fold up to where I cut, where I snipped, and then I'm going to put another inch here on top of that. And then I'm going to take off the red tape, and I'm going to fold that over, and it's going to be folded towards the back. So I'm going to fold my next fold line and secure that very well. And then I'm going to bring this back up and fold it like that on the middle score line, and then fold over the front score line. So I now have the basis for my pad. And then I'm going to go in, and you can just see that I'm going to pop out where the pin goes. There's my pin holder right there. So now I have this little pad, and I have already put red line tape on the back, sticky tape on the back of my pad. So I'm going to take off the red, and I'm going to adhere that inside. And as you all know, this is the hardest part of the whole project, is getting the sticky tape off. And a tip, if you make a mistake, which we all do, you can take that off by using your heat tool. So I'm just going to lay that in there, and it's adhered. The next step is I have some Pretty in Pink that I have cut at 5 by 2 7/8, and some Lap of Luxury designer paper at 4 3/4 by 2 5/8. I'm going to adhere that to the front. But before I do that, I have a piece of Concord Crush ribbon that I have cut, that I will cut at 13 inches, and I'm going to tie that. So I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to tie my ribbon. And we'll just make a square knot, and I'll trim that down a little bit to make it look neater. And then I'm going to add my Fabulous Friend cut from the oval all set with the extra large oval and the scallop circle oval, and you have your pad. Very, very simple, very cute, and a wonderful gift. I hope you enjoyed this, and check back. I hope to make more of these. Thank you. Bye.